Occasionally, other reasons, such as poor driving habits, can result in turbo failure, so it's also worth considering these causes. Prolonged engine idling can create a vacuum within the turbine, leading to failure of the oil seals. Hard acceleration from cold will not give the oil time to circulate, causing oil starvation to the turbo and engine bearings. Hot engine shutdown can cause carbon buildup within the turbo, leading to bearing failure. It's essential to let a hot turbo engine idle for at least 3 minutes before turning it off to reduce the temperature inside the turbo. Misuse, such as revving the engine beyond its safe limit, can cause overspeeding, which pushes the turbo beyond the parameters where lubrication can protect it, and overboosting, which damages the engine.